Hello children, we are starting with practice set 13.1. In each pair of the triangles in the following figures, parts bearing identical marks are congruent. State the test and correspondence of vertices by which triangles in each pair are congruent. Here you see the first figure, two triangles are here. Triangle X, W, Z and triangle Y, W, Z. I have taken one-to-one correspondence only. X is here, double line is here, W is there, and from W, S marking is there. That is common side. So these two triangles. So from Y, W is there, Z. So XWZ corresponds to YWZ. So this is one-to-one correspondence here. Very clear. Now, to identify the test, S, this is side, included angle is W here, small, and common side for both the triangle. So SAS test, these two triangles are congruent. The two triangles are congruent by SAS test in the correspondence. XWZ corresponds to YWZ. I'm sure it is clear. Next, in this figure, for KJI, hypotenuse will be KI, and for triangle LJI, hypotenuse will be IL. These two hypotenuses are congruent, and IJ is common for both the triangles, one of the side. So hypotenuse is congruent, one of the adjacent side is common and congruent. Common means both are congruent. So these two triangles will be congruent by hypotenuse side test. Very clear? Now one-to-one correspondence. K, J, I. From K to J 90 degree to I. L to J 90 degree to I. This common side. So one-to-one correspondence is. Next figure. In these two triangles here formed, these two are opposite sides. They are congruent, and this is common side for both the triangle. H to E, single line. E to G, S. H to E, E to G, single line, S. F to G, single line. F to G, single line. G to E, S. Common. So H E G corresponds to F G E. Very clear? Now the two triangles are congruent by, here all the three sides of a triangle, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. All the three sides are congruent. So these two triangles are congruent by SSS test. Next problem. In triangle SMA and triangle OPT, SM congruent to OP, angle M congruent to angle P, and therefore we can say that SM, what is remaining? A, and OP, what is remaining? T. So one-to-one correspondence. See, S corresponds to O, M corresponds to P. So A will correspond to T. The two triangles are congruent by angle side angle, that is ASA test. ASA test. Very simple. Next. Here In triangle MTN and triangle STN, M to T, T to N, S to T, T to N. So MTN corresponds to STN. Here you will come across that these two triangles are congruent by ASA test. How? See, this angle T, common side, angle N this side for this triangle. And for this triangle, again angle T is congruent, common side and angle N, again it is congruent. So these two triangles are congruent by ASA test or SAS test. Now here you see, this side MT is congruent to TS, angle T congruent to angle T, and TN congruent to TN, common side. So side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So by SAS test, these two triangles are also congruent. Or by SAA test, MT congruent to TS, angle T congruent to angle T, angle N congruent to angle N. So these two triangles are congruent by SAA. SAA test. Very clear? This much is sufficient for this video. In the next video, we are going to see the next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Thank you.